So all in all, guys, yeah, Vietnam, thumbs up. The Grab app, I highly recommend it. Download it. It was really easy to use. Ben Markets was good. Chinatown, look, Chinatown markets are great if you want to walk around, but they're obviously a wholesale, so they're not really going to sell to tourists. So just be mindful of that. You're not going to get harassed as you do like in Ben 10 to buy stuff. So if you purely want to go there just for sightseeing and have a look at the locals, the markets for them, yeah, it's really good. As you can see below, Vietnam, it's definitely, Ho Chi Minh is definitely the city for motorbikes. It's just motorbike crazy. Went to Starlight Bridge last night. Look, if you're a little bit short for time, I probably wouldn't recommend it, but if you've got a little bit more time to kill, most definitely, but it is a little bit out of the way. Well, it was for me. Coffee in Vietnam, look, every third shop is Vietnamese coffee. They live on the stuff. It's great, I love it, I'm addicted. But yeah, they definitely love their coffee, high coffee culture. You'll love it. A few things I wanted to share. So if you're traveling, obviously to Vietnam, I travel from Australia, just organise your visa prior to coming over, print it out, makes things a whole lot smoother at immigration. Also the taxi service out the front, you can use them, you will pay probably twice as much as you would otherwise. I downloaded the Grab app. It works all over Indonesia, so it worked really well for me. Easy to use, and yeah, half the price. So download Grab. Just another thing, walking street in Ho Chi Minh. It's really good, but look, if you're going to take video of like some of the performers, some of the kids that are performing in the streets, just give them a couple of dollars. You know, look, they're doing that for your values. So if obviously you're gonna film it or watch it, yeah, look, just swing them a little something. All in all, yeah, big thumbs up for Ho Chi Minh. It was really good. Again, look, only really had 2 days here. I'll just try and put the highlights there for you to have a look around. All in all, Vietnam was great. Now I've got to go and catch a plane and head into Thailand. Let's go.